Hey guys, welcome back. Your girl Brittany here, and I'm here to do a project share. I participated in a swap that's hosted by C's Creations here on YouTube. She hosted it over on the Facebook page, Crafty Manipulators, and it is a Halloween swap. A lot of elements to this. We were to create 5 handmade items and package it up all nice and neat, and then we were also to do 5 store-bought items, also include sweet treats and a card, and I believe that's it. Like I said, a lot of elements. Here are the handmade gifts that, or not the handmade, these are the store-bought gifts that I did. I am not going to share it. My partner, who is Andre Gould, I'll make sure I'll link her channel down below for you so you can see her reaction video to everything that I sent to her, including the store-bought gifts here. But I just wanted to kind of show how I wrapped it, just so if you want some ideas on your gift giving, whether it's for Halloween, Christmas, or anything like that. So I just did really simple boxes, and I added some trim. This trim was gifted to me by C. And I did a rosette with one of my bows here, and then just put a simple gem and just topped it off with some crinkle. And then here I did with like tissue paper. I grabbed some of this fun little yarn here and wrapped it all the way around, and again with my bow. I did the same thing here with the rosette and the Happy Halloween sticker. And then this one is just neatly wrapped with the actual paper, just some random Halloween paper. I'm actually not sure what this was. And then I just added some foam stars here. And then here I created a tote bag. So just again, out of the paper collection, I punched some holes and added some ribbon, and then added the crinkle at the top. So I just wanted to show you guys how I packaged up the store-bought gifts. Well, and then first off, we were supposed to do sweet treats. So one of the things that she likes is circus peanuts. So I had picked these up, and I just added a simple little topper, and then added some spiders to it. And then I made this little boat here and added the candy to it. She likes caramel, and she also likes Milky Way, and this is simply caramel Milky Way, so why not combine the two? So it's just a simple tote using a 6x6 paper here. And then for my handmade gifts, now I've shared this over on my Instagram. And if you guys follow Christy, is it Christy's Crafty Adventures or Christy Ann's Crafty Adventures? Something like that. Either way, I'll have it linked down below. But she did this really cute food truck. And so I finally had the chance to make it, and I shared this on my Instagram. So it's so super cute. Right here it says eek, and then I have some little bones and this fun little like pricks that came like come in like the flower bouquet area at the Dollar Tree. And then on this side I put the Happy Halloween with some spiders, and then I actually have my wheels moving, and so that's one of the elements I wanted to create. And then also I created a window, so, and then I added a little skeleton on the inside as well, so then that way you actually can see the driver. Then I put one of these wood veneers that says haunted, and then these little googly eyes as the headlights. And so my handmade item is also inside of here, and I made one of those octopus yarn ones, and it's the same yarn that I had wrapped the other presents with. And so I did this one as that, and I put like the little bows on the feet, and I did a little bow necktie. I have little pink googly eyes, and then some pink tulle pom-poms for the head. And so it just sits like this. It's so cute. Look at it. Ah, so cute. Okay, so that is handmade item number 1. And then I thought it was cute to have this one inside the truck, so it can be like the passenger. So that's handmade item number 1. Number 2, I did an embellishment box, and this is doing the embellishment booklet that I have the tutorial on. And so I just went ahead and did that. I will link that video for you down below. And this is where I made a little tuck spot, so this is where I'm going to put the card. And I also did a tutorial on the spin card. So this is where the card is going to go. And then you lift it from the top here, and here is the embellishment box that I made. So I wanted to be simple so it can be able to fit into the box. But it says Boogie Nights that I did with foam. And then I have a little ghost here. And then on the inside, just some simple embellishment box stuff. I'm not going to go completely through it, but like pom-poms and beads. I have some resin pieces that I made. Here are crocheted pumpkins that I did. And I'm sharing that with her as well. So, and then also too, I shared these little alpha beads, and these actually do spell out particular words. So Andre, if you are looking at this video, these beads actually spell out different words. Things like boo, fright, spooky, and so on and so forth. So I did that, and just slides in there like so, and closes it up. Boom. Alright, so that's handmade item number 2. Number 3 is wrapped in this box here, and then I just added some Hobby Lobby trim, a rosette, and I did my little floating balloons, and I made the strings out of hot glue so it could add like a little eerie look to it, and then the bow, and then one of my skull resin pieces. And then inside I made like this little booklet here. Oh no, my spider, get back on there. And then this is using the this die here by KS Crafts, and it's the Flourish planner die. Now this one I got off of Amazon, but you can get it in AliExpress, so I will try to find a link for the AliExpress one, but for sure leave the Amazon link down below for you guys. And then I just made a simple little booklet here. What I did was I laminated the sheets. And then for the front cover, you can't see it very well, but like I did the sequins, and then I added the paper in between it, so the back cover is the same way as well. It's the same way, it has the sequins laminated on the inside there. And then I did a little paper ruffle with the tulle in there, and then I have a crepe paper rosette, it's a cute little bat, and it says treat yourself. I did my little resin pumpkin, a little resin rose, and then a bow, and then the spiders, and then I used that Dollar Tree eyelash trim as the closure. And then you just open it up, and then these pieces, these are from Walmart last year. These are little tuck spots, so she wants to add photos, so she can go ahead and tuck it anywhere. I know she has some grandbabies, so I figured that this would be a cute thing for her. And the same thing here. And then with the bat, we have another tuck spot. So that is handmade item number 3. And then number 4, I did a tutorial on this one as well. This is my 2 compartment box, and with this is super simple, and you can use like just regular cereal boxes or anything like that. It doesn't have to be like the heavyweight chipboard. And I just had the paper going all the way around. I did a yarn bow, and then I did a bottle cap for the center piece here, and then on top I did a crepe paper rosette with the paper rosette, my bows, and then there's a veneer that says boo. You open it up, it has a Velcro closure, and then on the inside here, what I did on this side, these are little bookmarks that I made. I shared these on my Instagram as well, and it can either be like table decor, so you can just kind of have it hanging. You can either have it as a little decor piece that hangs off like the books somewhere, or like I said, it's initially a bookmark, so you just put it in between your books, and then you have it something right there. So I made this one, and it says spooky on the tails with the little pumpkins and a skull in the center, traditional colors. And then this one I did it in the tassel form with the little pumpkin, and then again with the traditional colors. So that is one of my handmades there. And then I'm also gifting her this confetti mix that I got from Joann's. And then I did, oh, my little spider came off. And I made these little potion bottle charms, so she can go ahead and add these to whatever she would like, or if she wants to use the little confetti that's on the inside, she can do that as well. So I made various ones of those. So that is handmade item number 4. The item here is my accordion little embellishment tote. Of course, I did a tutorial on this one. This is like one of my favorite tutorials that I've done. And so you'll probably see many different versions, Christmas and everything of this. And for here, I just did an embellished rosette, and I just did some layering with some cobwebs and pumpkins. It says trick or treat, give me something good to eat, and then a little yarn bow with a pumpkin bottle cap centerpiece, and then I did little beads here that said beware with a pumpkin and a skull, and then did these little ribbon bows on the handles here. And then we open her up. So the first one, and I laminated these this time, so that way if she wants to go ahead and reuse this and re-gift it to someone else, she can easily do so. I have removable sticky dots on them. So these are the little truck embellishments that I made. I shared these on my Instagram as well. The truck die I got from AliExpress, but you can find it too through, I believe, Spellbinders, but I will leave the link to the one that I had received. And so I did that. So there's various ones. It says boo with some little floating ghosts going by like they're driving in the truck. And then this one is little eyes for the back. And then I did the bow with the bats on there. So that is the first embellishment pocket that I did. And then the next one here, oops, one fell off. I just did my rosettes for her. This is a file that I had got from the Cameo or the Silhouette Design Store, and I will leave the design number down below for you in case you are interested. So I did some rosettes, and then I did these little flowers here. I left them plain so she can go ahead and do them up how she wants to. But these are little lace flowers here. And then lastly, I did my bows. The bows are just layering of smaller bows together and then crisscrossing them and just put them on so it look like a present bow. And again, I left them without the centers in case she wanted to go ahead and do them how she wants. And of course, she got an embellishment box so she can utilize things from there. So that is what I created for her. Again, check out her video and